Oh, here we go.
This is important. I want you to smile today.
But I don't feel like smiling.
Hello, my name is Simone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yay! Did you guys miss me? If you are new to this channel, hi, welcome. I'm here, I'm back, I'm doing it. We'll see. I don't know. If you want to go check out some of my other videos, I have some other videos up, so you should go check those out. Today's video I'm really excited for because I'm going to be doing a Shein try on haul. I just brought a whole bunch of stuff for the summer. This video is not sponsored. Yeah, I just brought some clothes and I want y'all to see them, basically. I'm just gonna get straight into the video. So that is it for my Shein try on haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and comment down below which piece is your favorite. I'm really excited to wear these pieces. Said before, I will be putting all of the codes for all of these pieces in the description, so you can go ahead and check those out if you want to buy any of those pieces yourself. And yeah, I think that's it. Always remember that Jesus loves you and so do I. And if you didn't smile today, which I hope that you did smile today, but if you didn't, then here's your chance to smile right now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese! Kisses. Mwah. Bye. I forgot that I brought these sunglasses. Oh. Super cute. They come in this little case. And they even come with like some wipes. I mean, a wipe, some wipes. But I think these are so cute. It's giving